ask these 2 questions to get everything you want.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, I'm Rachael Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, here to remind you that you are always attracting the good, the bad, the ugly, and the beautiful. Today we're talking about getting everything you want by asking 2 simple questions every day. Most of you run into this situation where you're saying affirmations, you're saying incantations, but you simply just do not believe them. And it's the disbelief that is continuously running in your subconscious mind that hinders the attraction of your dreams and your goals. So I'm going to share with you 2 questions that can help break up and dissolve disbelief of raising yourself to a new standard and a new vibration and seeing those goals and dreams come to fruition. It's time to stop disappointment of not seeing your goals and your dreams come to pass. It's time to start attracting the love you want, attracting the money that you desire and deserve, and increasing your health and your beauty with the law of attraction. So the first question that is designed to cut through this disbelief and shift your subconscious mind is what if? What if I woke up every morning and the sun was shining? What if I woke up and my boss gave me a raise when I got to work? What if my lover was more passionate about our relationship? That's the question. What if? Anything could be added after you state what if. What if I won a new car? What if a dream vacation fell into my lap? See, this question of what if changes the way your subconscious responds to what you're trying to attract, because it doesn't make it something that's set in stone. What if makes it a passion, a desire. It creates energy of excitement. It raises your vibration to even consider in your mind a new possibility.
You are about to experience a miracle. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.
Now, the second question is very similar, and it goes hand in hand with this concept of shifting your subconscious mind to allow your dreams and goals to come to fruition without disbelief or negative counterintentions blocking it. The second question is, wouldn't it be nice? For example, wouldn't it be nice if dinner was made for me tonight and already on the table when I got home? Wouldn't it be nice if we got a babysitter for a few extra hours so I could go out with my lover to the movies? Wouldn't it be nice if my kids decided they're going to wash the car for me? Wouldn't it be nice? Again, it's a statement that creates excitement. It almost lends itself to instant visualization of your goals and your dreams. Now, these 2 questions, what if and wouldn't it be nice, go hand in hand. All day long, you can be asking yourself, what if and wouldn't it be nice? Now, when you use these 2 phrases, the manifestation happens in the pause between what if, and you start to visualize, you start to imagine, you start to feel the answer to that what if question. And you pause and you let that sink in to who you are and what you're trying to attract. The same with wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice if I could increase my income by 50%? Wouldn't it be nice if an unexpected opportunity came my way? And you pause and you think about how you would use the extra income, how it would further your goals and dreams. Wouldn't it be nice to not have to worry about the weekly and monthly bills? And you pause and you feel that emotion and you feel the excitement of getting the raise, finding a new opportunity with extra income. So you do this daily and not just once a day. This doesn't have to be something you sit down in a big meditation session for hours. You can just use these questions all day long. When you're sitting at a red light, what if? Wouldn't it be nice? When you're eating lunch, what if? Wouldn't it be nice? When you're driving home from work, what if? Wouldn't it be nice? When you're in the shower, when you're at a sporting event, when you're exercising, anywhere, use these two questions, what if and wouldn't it be nice, to amplify your ability to attract, because it's going to cut through your disbelief because you're posing it as a question, as a visualization to your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind can soak up the new energy, the new passion, the new excitement of what you're trying to attract. So use these two questions every day, all day long. What if and wouldn't it be nice, to start shifting your vibration and attracting the life you've always dreamed of. Here's a final what if. What if you subscribe to this podcast? Wouldn't it be nice to get all our latest updates? And always stay tuned and be connected with new information so that you can soar high like a beautiful eagle. Have a great day. Keep your mind quiet, your heart open, and always be attracting.